Introducing the Unifi Cloud Key Gen2 Plus 1U bracket by Bartolama 3D. This bracket allows you to mount your Unifi Cloud Key Gen2 Plus in a standard 1U rack slot. The bracket supports both a left and right-sided mount and only attaches to one side of the rack, allowing for clean installation of your cloud key. The hole pattern on this bracket fits standard racks with cage nuts or pre-tapped holes. To install your cloud key in the bracket, first remove one or both of the screws on the back plate. If you remove both screws, remove the back plate, or if you only remove one screw, move the plate to the side to allow for the insertion of the cloud key. Next, insert the cloud key into the slot. Be sure to insert it slowly as the fit is tight by design. Make sure you insert the cloud key into the bracket correctly to match your final installation orientation. Once the cloud key locks in place, replace the back plate and screws. Congratulations! Your installation of the cloud key in the bracket is complete. You can now go and install it inside your rack. Thanks for watching this demo video for our Cloud Key Gen2 Plus 1U bracket. Details on where to purchase this bracket can be found in the description.